Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can overlay picture on video in CapCut. So let's get started. Here I have inputted my video to CapCut and we're going to overlay picture to this video. So the first thing we have to do is we can click on overlay option right here and we can click add overlay, and after that we can just select the photo or picture that we want to overlay to our video. And for example, I'm going to select this one, so just tap on the photo, then we can click on add right here, and then the photo will be added to our video. Okay, and this is the photo that we have just overlaid, and we can zoom in or we can zoom out, we can resize the photo, we can use both of our finger to pinch the photo like this, and we can drag the photo, we can place it to the part of the video that we want. Again, for example, I'm going to place this photo right here, and we can also adjust the length. We can make the photo align with the video, so we can drag it to the right like this. Okay, and now let's just take a look on the results. So just play the video. Alright guys, and that's how we can overlay picture on video in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.